Be ready. Start. The Supreme Court on Thursday upheld the 27% quota for other backward classes in the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test All India quota seats for admission to postgraduate medical and dental courses in state-run colleges, saying reservation was not at odds with merit as it furthered distributive justice. A bench led by Justice said admissions to the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test postgraduate courses for 2021 would be held as per the existing reservation of 27% for OBCs and 10% for EWS. However, it said the challenge to the validity of criteria for determining the economically weaker section quota would be heard and decided by it in the third week of March. The order came on petitions challenging reservation for OBC and EWS candidates introduced by the Centre in the All India quota seats in the state government run medical colleges through a notification dated July 29, 2021. Merit cannot be reduced to narrow definitions of performance in an open competitive examination which only provides formal equality of opportunity. Competitive examinations assess basic current competency to allocate educational resources but are not reflective of excellence, capabilities and potential of an individual, which are also shaped by life experiences, subsequent training and individual character. Crucially, open competitive examinations do not reflect the social, economic and cultural advantage that accrues to certain classes and contributes to their success in such examinations, it said. An oppositional of merit and reservation serves to entrench inequalities by relegating reserved candidates to the sphere of incompetence and diminishing their capabilities, it noted. In our opinion, it cannot be said that the impact of backwardness simply disappears because a candidate has a graduate qualification. Indeed, a graduate qualification may provide certain social and economic mobility, but that by itself does not create parity between forward classes and backward classes. In any event, there cannot be an assertion of over inclusion where undeserving candidates are said to be benefiting from reservation because OBC candidates who fall in the creamy layer are excluded from taking the benefit of reservation. Thus, we find that there is no prohibition in introducing reservation for socially and educationally backward classes in postgraduate courses, it said stop. High scores in an examination are not a proxy for merit. Stop. Merit should be socially contextualized and reconceptualized as an instrument that advances social goods like equality that we as a society value. Stop. In such a context, reservation is not at odds with merit but furthers its distributive consequences, it said. Stop. Noting that scores in an exam are not the sole determinant of excellence of or capability, the bench said, even if for the sake of argument it is assumed that scores do reflect excellence, it is not the only value that is considered as a social good. Stop. We must look at the distributive consequences of merit. Stop. Accordingly, how we assess merit should also, if it mitigates or entrenches inequalities. Stop. The bench, which had on January 7 passed a short order upholding the 27% quota for OBCs in all India quota seats, has now delivered a detailed verdict giving reasons for its decision. Stop.